Okay, I'm live, only this time I'm not at home, but a good thunderstorm is rolling in here at the TV station, and I just got that one. And I'm going to have to go in a second. This is serious. But this is wonderful. Now, I'm having a good thunderstorm here at 3340. And that is a good, loud, rolling clap of thunder. And nobody's joining me yet. Low network connection is what this is telling me, because I'm away from the signal. So I've got to get close to the building so I can close the signal. And the wind's starting to pick up. And I'm live. This is a good thunderstorm here at 3340. Usually when I have one here, they are pretty potent when they're full-fledged, and it doesn't look like this one's any exception. Because I was watching the radar. Which was right by me, and had the lightning on it, and it had storms rolling up 65 from Montgomery and Clanton. And this is just a thrill to get to experience a good thunderstorm here. After all, what I do here is weather research, so I don't have a full-fledged thunderstorm here every year, and that's some wonderful lightning. That's some good lightning right there. And I have it in a position hoping to get some more. But that is some excellent booming of thunder. And hello to everybody watching. This is an excellent bang and booming of thunder, and there was lightning I just missed. So I'll turn it back over here. And that was a nice bolt. Okay, I think it is time for me to go in. So that is what I'm going to do, is go in. This is it's too close and it's dangerous. So, there's the crash. I'm going in.